day, I am Joanna, and I will be serving you today. Here is our wine list. We have a variety of wine that you can like.
What wine would you recommend?
We have a special wine today. For the red wine, Albellino, and for the white wine, Carlo Rossi, and for the sparkling wine, Asti Martini.
I will take the Carlo Rossi.
Okay, ma'am, may I have the menu? Allow me to repeat your order, ma'am. You order one bottle Carlo Rossi white wine. This is right, ma'am.
Yes.
Please excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Allow me to introduce you our best-selling wine, white wine Carlo Rossi. This one is came from California, USA, and the grape variety is Vino Blanco. It has 750 ml capacity, and also have 10.5% by volume. It's a 9 vintage wine, and name of property, this is California, USA. Please excuse me. Allow me to open your wine now.
It all starts with what's next. Inspired next. Hitachi.
Excuse me, ma'am, this is your wine cork. You may taste your wine, ma'am. May I know your experience, ma'am?
It's good.
Okay, ma'am. Enjoy your wine, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your bill out. Wait for a moment, ma'am. Are you receiving 600 pesos, ma'am? And you have a change 3 pesos.